This just came in the mail today. Fresh stuff right here. This is the JBL Charge 4 in forest green. So, let's open this plastic right here. This is a bit hard, I think.
I can do this. No, I think I'm gonna need the scissors. Okay, I think that'll do it.
It is, wow, wrap in bubble wrap. So let's get this and boxing knife.
I'm so excited, man. Let's open it any way that I could. Wow.
Well, I chose green because I always buy stuff in black or white. So I figured I'm gonna get something a little bit more interesting this time. So when I saw this shade of green right here, I knew right away that it was the right one to get. Well, I was contemplating whether I should get the Flip 5 or maybe the Charge 3 since that one is also discounted, but I saw that this one is also discounted adequately, so I figured I'm just gonna get this one since it's the new one. Well, another reason is, of course, it has a bigger battery, so you have a little bit more headroom right there for a future degradation of the battery, which is good for me. Not to mention, it can be used as a power bank for your phone, which is a nice thing to have. Another reason is, of course, it's louder. So I'm not gonna carry this one around anyway that much because it's just gonna stay in my room most of the time, so the extra weight is not an issue for me, so I got this one over the Flip 5. So without further ado, let's open this box. Okay, it's not doing this for me. Let's do this one again. Okay, we got it right there. So I think we're gonna open it this way. Oh, it's magnetized. I like that one. Oh yeah. So we have nothing here, just a foam. It says Charge 4, and here's the speaker right here. But we're gonna get this one first. So let's find out what's in this pocket right here. So you have the usual. It's really hard to get things out of anything using this gloves. Okay, yeah, it says a quick start guide. So let's open this one so you can see what's inside. Okay, it says here quick start guide. This guide. And this one, I don't know what this is. So yeah, that's it. That's just it. Inside this box. So for the thing, it's silicone gel. And I think this one's the charger. Yeah, it's the charger. It's a USB Type A to USB Type C. Now, another reason why I got this one because of the Type C, you know. I don't like micro USB anymore. It's 2020. There's no place for that. So, another bummer here is you don't have the power adapter. Yeah, the Charge 3 used to have that, but I don't know why JBL doesn't include that anymore. But another bummer is that this speaker doesn't have speakerphone anymore, so you can use this for answering calls or for voice assistant, but I don't do those things anyway. I just need a device for music and video, so those features are not important to me. I just need a speaker with a nice sound, nice loud sound, so I don't need those features. So man, this color right here is perfect for me. So we're gonna read about the box. It says 20 hours and Bluetooth 4.2. It's not Bluetooth 5.0, which is a bummer. But I don't know, it's just gonna stay in my room, so I don't need that extra reach anyway. So So that's everything in the box. So let's flash some close-up shots before we do a mini sound test. Okay guys, this portion of the video is for those who are considering getting this particular color, and this is a picture from the website, and it actually looks lighter here when in fact the speaker itself is a bit darker in person. So I'm doing this portion for you to appreciate the color a little bit more. So this one here is the picture on the box, which is a little bit on the brown side, so it's not doing any justice either. So the following are pictures that I've taken, and they look a bit underexposed because I'm trying to show you guys how it actually looks like in person, which is actually a bit darker than the pictures that are being shown from the website. So I hope you appreciate this part of the video, because when I was planning on getting this particular color, I was looking for a video like this one where we will talk about how it actually looks like in person, but I couldn't find one, so I just relied on the pictures from the website, and the actual product is actually better in person because it's darker and it looks a little bit more like dark moss green, if you get what I mean. So let's get back to the test now. So let's just wait. I'm gonna connect this one to my phone and I'm gonna get back to you guys. So now that we've connected this to my phone, let's play music. So for those who are wearing their headphones while watching this video, I suggest that you guys turn down the volume just a little bit because this part might be too loud for you. So let's got it right there. Man, that sounds so crisp. So that's it. Watch out for the upcoming videos where we'll do further testing to this beast of a speaker right here. So click like, subscribe, and don't hesitate to leave a comment down below for any questions or suggestions. Once again, thank you for watching.